Hello friends, welcome to CodeChamp. Today in this class, I'm going to tell you that how to make the data set. So for this, first of all, just select all the lines. I'm selecting A to J. Just click on Merge and Center and choose the color which one you like. If you don't like these colors, then go to the more colors. From here, you can choose also the different types of color, whatever you want. You can take that one. Click on OK and that color will be filled here. And after this, I just want to set my logo this side. So go to the insert option, then click on shapes. Choose any type of shape. I want to set my logo in a square shape. So I'm taking this square and I just want to drag it here. After dragging it here, I want to set my company logo. So go to the shape fill option. When you will go to the shape fill, click here on picture. Now I want to take my company logo. So go to from a file. When you will go to the from a file, the new dialog box will be open. You can choose your logo from there. As I'm going to choose my logo. So let me click here on the download one. And I'm taking my logo regarding the CodeChamp. Now my logo has inserted in this. Now you can set it as per your requirement. After set down my logo, if you don't want the outline, then here the shape outline option is there. Just click on no outline. When you will click on no outline, then you can see your logo will come in a common way. Now after this, here I just want to mention customer details. So same I'm selecting it. Click here for merging and center. This one. And here just type customer. As you can see, as I'm typing, see you. If you want all these things in capital, then just turn on your caps lock key. And I'm typing customer details. I also want to make it bold. So do the single click, only single click and make it bold and just make it big. Here I want to set the border. Select it, single click. Then click on outside border or thick box. Again, single click and click on thick box border. So the border will be there. After this, I just want to set the columns. So how to set the column? I just select all. 3 parts this one and I'm keeping it merge and center. Same I'm doing here. I'm choosing 3 parts, this one and doing merge and center. So this one 3 part and this one 3 part. In the same way, I'm just doing merge and center by selecting it. How much you want, you can just choose that one. In the same way, you just select here and do merge and center as much as you want. It's your choice that you want 3 lines, 4 lines or 5 lines as per your requirement. After this, I'm setting it and just click here on all borders. So it will be set like this. Now here, I just want to mention here name. And here I just want to mention the name like Mr. Madhav. Now press enter, your cursor will come there. Now I'm typing here flat number. Now just type here, suppose I'm typing 1403. Again press enter. Now I'm typing here location. Now my location is suppose New Delhi. As per your location, you can type that one. After this, I'm again pressing enter and I'm choosing mobile number. I'm typing my one. Now again press enter and choose the date. As I told you, as per your requirement, you can do that one. I'm typing today's date. It should be not here. That should be here. So I'm keeping it here. So it should be today's date. After defining all these things, if you want something extra, as my background and my same, all these things are same. Now here, I just want to make the more things. So again, just select it and use all borders. If you want to make down, I'm just typing here serial number. Now, as per your demand, like product, hardware details, like this you will do. Means you just fill all these things as per your requirement. And after this, if you want to again do merge and center, select it. margin center and fill the same color. Suppose I'm typing here kitchen. After this, whatever you want, just to select it. Select the border and serial number 1. And as a product, I'm using here tab. Hardware, yes, means like this you can fill. So that's your choice. In this way, you can create a very good detail regarding your business. I hope till here everything is clear for you. Just do with this. Rest we will do in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.